How to translate Siri Emoji. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to translate Siri Emoji. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to your iMessage or any messaging app you want to use Siri into. So from in there, you can just head over to that specific app. Now, once you're in here, you just need to select a specific message on a person that you want to translate the emoji into. So in here, I have a bunch of emojis. If you have a friend like that only sends emojis, it will be a very helpful thing for you. So what you can do is you can just long press this specific message. Then from in there, you can see this copy, translate, and more. So you can just click on translate right here in order to have it be translated by Siri. So actually, Siri can also read out a message. So it can only be a messages or emoji. It can only be a message like this. So in order to have Siri do that, you can just head over and long press the specific message of them. And then click on translating here again in order to have them be spoken by Siri. So it actually depends on your device on what actual command you have, but usually it does translate. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to translate Siri emoji. If you have questions or comments, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them as soon as we can. I hope you learned a lot and make sure to like. So that's all. Thanks.